despacito, promise ako kon.
Hindi lang kayo, dali.
Lumayo ka man sa akin at ako'y iyong limutin.
Sa krus, ika'y namatay, nabuhay muli para mundo'y ligtas. At di ko alam bakit ba nagkakaganto.
A few moments later.
Marshmallows. Syringe.
Hey, what's up, guys?
So, hello guys. As you can see, if you push the syringe, the marshmallows become smaller, and if you pull the syringe, the marshmallows becomes bigger. So, that's the why. So, if the pressure is high, the volume is low. If the pressure is low, the volume is high. That's the Boyle's law.